got it. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be cooking eggs. Mama, let's do the eggs. Guys, watch how I do this. 1, 2, 3. Put stones. And then another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm gonna go over here. Then my mom's gonna get paper napkin. Mama, make it wet, please. Guys, I'm still on my YouTube channel. The eggs are right here in the bowl. So you can see it on the camera. Mama, thank you. And we're, what is it called, Mama? What? We're gonna be making scrambled eggs today, guys. Go, Mama. Today we are gonna be cooking with my little toy pan. Mama, can I mix it? Guys, we're gonna mix it. Mix. Chomp, 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 chomp. Mix. Chomp, 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 chomp. Mix. And chomp, 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 chomp. Mom, I'm surprised how much I'm doing this. Now that I do this, I'm gonna spray this in there. Guys, we don't need any oil now. What do I do? No, I'm gonna wipe it all around. Done with that. Guys, my mama got this set. This is heating up a little. We need to get some milk in there, Mama. We're not gonna use milk, guys. Mama, can I set the fork on there? And now we are gonna pour it, guys. That looks like good eggs. And then we're just gonna move it around, and then we're gonna start stirring. Guys, I'm mixing. Guys, this is how we're supposed to mix. We're gonna mix like this, or like this. Am I done? Now, guys, we're gonna get my little spatula. Mama, now what are we supposed to do? Guys, we're gonna wait and let it sit for a minute. I'm gonna put my spatula right here. Mama, what's this for? And what? Guys, later we're gonna do eggs with cheese. We're gonna do cheese with eggs in a little bit, guys. So you might be wondering what has been giving me stuff. My mama is giving me my spatula and everything. Mama, you're damn cute. So move it on. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna move it a little. Tight. And to make sure it's good enough to stir. we can put our eggs on a tortilla too if you want to do that. If you are doing this YouTube channel, or you can do an egg sandwich. What? You can also do an avocado with eggs. Guys, now my mama told me we have to mix.
You listen to it behind.
Where's my wood? Do we need the wood? Okay, we don't need wood. What? What are we supposed to be doing? Stir. Guys, 10 minutes later. Guys, today, right now, I am cooking it. You can hear it bubbling. It's not actually bubbling now, guys. It's actually now is crispy. You can see the steam, guys. Now what are we gonna do? Cheese? Guys, now we are gonna do cheese. I love cheese. I'm gonna get one taste. Those are perfect for eggs. Here we go. Now we're going to get our spatula again. Then start mixing. Guys, we're gonna keep stirring for a little bit longer, and we're gonna stop chomping, and chomping them so they're in smaller pieces. I'm chomping them so they're in smaller pieces, guys. Y'all can do that if you want. Now, guys, we are finished. Okay. I'm gonna move them to this side because I'm gonna have an avocado too. Guys, we are all done. Next, we are gonna do some avocados. Bye! As I said, we are gonna do avocados next. And I just got one piece of them. See this?
The pit.
What? That?
Pit. It's called the pit.
That? The seed?
Tell them the pit.
Guys, we're gonna get out the pit.
Remember?
No. Guys, I did it. Oh, guys, I'll be back. Guys, I'm back. Now we're gonna do this side, guys. Little cutter. I remember how to do this. guys, we were done with the first avocado. Next, we're gonna be doing the other one. In a minute, we're gonna do the other one again. As my mama already got it. God, I got it. I was actually creating my own dinner. Okay, if you want to create your own dinner like this. I want some salt and pepper with it. I want salt. Salt.
It's called Go Cajun seasoning. It's called Kabucha Cajun seasoning.
This is called
Go Joe's.
Go Joe's Cajun seasoning. We're gonna put it on our avocados. I just keep calling it fun words. Okay, guys, we're gonna do it now. Guys, I'm gonna get fork real quick.
Okay, so what is it?
Guys, I'm gonna test it. Guys, yum. It's so good with the seasoning. I need more. Now I'm gonna turn eggs, guys. While my eggs are cooking and I'm letting them settle for a while, I'm gonna do another avocado. This time, put that piece down that doesn't have this in there, the pit in there. Then we're gonna slap it. Got it, guys. I'll be back. Guys, I'm back. Okay, now we are gonna stir the egg a little. Turn it a little. Please. I can feel on the bottom there's some that is crispy. Guys, but now we're gonna go back to the avocado. I just keep calling funny words. Mama, why did you leave me? Got this. Okay. I got so much. Mama needs some help. I'll go get another fork. Guys, I'm back. Guys, now I have to stir my eggs. Okay, I'm hurrying. It's getting crispy. Now I'm gonna switch, guys, to my spatula. Scoop. Flip. Now we're gonna switch to avocado, guys. Now we're gonna get
Yep.
Guys, now we're gonna do the other one. Y'all forgot. Y'all didn't think I would do the other one. Okay. It's not the fork. Guys, what's it called again? Go Joe's Cajun Seasoning. We're gonna do it again. Is this Braxton's stuff? Oh, I gotta mix. I'm gonna do this, and this. Then we're gonna start chopping, chompity chomp. Guys, I'm still cooking it. Now I'm gonna do some more cheese. I'm gonna taste it one more time. Okay, this much. Mmm. I'm gonna do a hand this time. Handful. Handful is the better. Okay, now we're gonna use my spatula. Nope. Now we're gonna I'm getting him more eggs. This is actually more eggs than mine. Does Braxton already have food? No, these are Braxton's. And now we're gonna do another one of Go Joe's seasoning. I'm gonna get another. Actually, I'll use my fork. My food's done. My eggs are warm. Now I'm gonna try it. I'll give this 10 stars and 1 billion. I'm gonna try the eggs. Good. That was the egg are good. I give that 3 stars and 20 cents. Actually, just 3 stars and 10. Okay, guys, so all this is done. This is all for today's YouTube video. Bye.